Hi, I'm Jeremy Hoy, Stratasys Applications Engineer for Manufacturing Solutions. I'm going to show you the benefits of using FDM 3D printing technology for making soft jaws, and then show you what's involved in making them. Soft jaws are a common work holding fixture in virtually any manufacturing facility where odd-shaped parts have to be machined and aren't easily held in a vise or with straight-edged hard jaws. They're considered overhead, so they're required for the machining operation, but they're a cost nonetheless. When you make soft jaws the traditional way, machining them out of metal, you can run up against some constraints. There's the time it takes to program the machine to cut the jaws. There's usually a backlog of jobs waiting to be machined, and then there is the opportunity cost of using production machines to make them. FDM 3D printing technology is a great alternative to machining soft jaws. Stratasys has a selection of materials to choose from that you can tailor to your specific job. For example, we have several carbon-filled thermoplastics that have high strength and stiffness that are well suited for this application. You can choose which material makes the most sense depending on how many cycles you need to use a particular soft jaw. 3D printing soft jaws also becomes more effective when the workpiece becomes more complex. For some custom 3D printed soft jaws, customers have said they wouldn't have been able to machine them at all. The design freedom 3D printing gives you lets you make soft jaws as you need them without worrying about complex shapes. Soft jaws made from thermoplastics also have a natural non-marring property that can be important when the part being machined needs to retain a specific surface finish. When you 3D print soft jaws, you don't need to tie up CNC machines that could be dedicated to value-added production. And a 3D printer doesn't need a dedicated operator to function. After the design is sent to the printer, the job can be run, completed overnight, and ready to use the next morning. From an ROI perspective, we've had customers tell us that the cost of the printer was justified by the savings achieved using 3D printed soft jaws alone. Think about how many soft jaws you make on a monthly or quarterly basis, and then determine the CNC programming time and opportunity cost of using your CNC machine to make them. When you add up that cost, you can determine if 3D printing is a justifiable alternative to making them the traditional way. Let's talk about how you actually go about making 3D printed soft jaws. Design in CAD or download a CAD model of the required jaw geometry. You need to make sure that this jaw fits your machine vise. In the CAD program of your choice, import your soft jaw geometry, as well as the part that will be machined. Orient the jaws with a small clearance between the parallel faces as they will be mounted. Orient the part to be machined so that it is inset and interferes with the jaws and the surface to be machined is accessible. In your CAD program, do a Boolean subtraction. Subtract the geometry of the part to be machined from the geometry of the soft jaws and make any necessary adjustments. The resulting geometry can be saved and the CAD file can be imported directly into GrabCAD Print. The jaws should be oriented for maximum strength in the clamping direction. Select material of your choice and click Print. Once the print job is complete, remove the parts from the build substrate. Once the support structure is removed, either manually or dissolved away, the parts are ready to use. You can use them as you would use machined soft jaws. 3D printing soft jaws with FDM technology isn't difficult and offers multiple benefits over making them with traditional methods. To learn more about this application or other 3D printing manufacturing solutions, contact your Stratasys representative or visit stratasys.com. Thanks for watching.